What up, YouTube? It's your boy MemorieCloud here, and welcome back to ENA Dream BBQ. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta tell you something, guys. I am how y'all day been? Today's a good day. I woke up, my body off, a little swollen for some reason, but it'd be alright. And Edit Cloud, me and myself be playing Fortnite more exclusively because Adventure Time's in Fortnite. You know what I'm saying? Go. When this video ended, go ahead and stop right what you're doing and go watch the other video, please. Why am I lagging? Hold on. 120 frames. 120 frames. 120 frames. What the heck was that? Okay. By the way, what happened is I did saw her friend. Her friend, his friend, or she or her friend, whoever it is over here. I got spoiled. They ain't gonna talk about it. I got spoiled and I crashed out. Oh yeah, I think it's right here. I think. I don't know. Maybe. Let's go check it out. Hey, excuse me, ma'am. You lost?
May I offer you a divestment opportunity?
Divestment? Are you making fun of my unemployment lives? I don't care. Don't stare. Go away.
I'm lagging. What the heck?
What? You're ENA? You have a job?
ENA.
It's more of a lifestyle. That's my destiny. What more could I do?
Let's go, ENA. W's in chat.
God knows the best.
Ew. I am nice to you, and this is the thanks I get?
What the f—
Rude entities like you get punished for the sins of others.
I'm lagging! If I lag, I'm crashing out, bro. I hate crashing out.
Tell me! I'm joking!
Fell for it, didn't you?
Miss, could you keep it down, please? The pizza guy is right here.
You know, I'm
Is it just me or this game's bugged?
I should be the CEO of organizing events or something.
Who is this character? Whoa, watch out! Who is this?
Tell this place to drink.
Why I be seeing all my fan arts?
I hate bathrooms.
Gosh, bro. We supposed to do something. Alright. I remember we went over here last time. I don't know if that person's still here. Alright. Alright. Yeah, you still here. He doesn't gas my goes. Shut up. I'm gonna be out your way. You're weird. Have a great day. Alright. I forgot about that. I forgot about that. What? What the heck? You could jump. I could jump over this. There's no other way. Thank you. I could have sworn. Alright. So, what's this? This looks new. I never seen this before. Alright. Let's go. The wizard. What is this? Ooh, Princess Bubblegum? What the wizard?
Greetings. I shall be happy to explain everything to you.
Yes, sir.
One person can be in two places at once. Although, the magician does not have to be in two places at once. He
Okay,
can be
who's
in
that behind
one
you?
place at one time. Because he would be lost in the other person's mind. I'm glad we understand each other, Anna. You are here because you want to be.
No, no, this game is lagging. This is lagging. No, it's the game. It's bugged. I did saw an update say they fixed a bug because the cutscenes are tripping out.
I can see it in your eyes.
I'm here for pending business with your
Stupid boss! Firstly, I need to get more info on this pointless shit!
Ah, the bathroom. But of course, you are looking for it. That old witch is looking for it. Everyone these days is in search of the bathroom. Now, you didn't hear it from me, but the way to the entrance is... The way to enter the bathroom is through that giant orb you see in the sky past the bridge. But in order to reach it, we must create life itself. Now, go away, Anna, and get life. That shall be your quest today.
That should be your trap players. Get to life. Did he actually cook me?
Let me do some research and get back to you.
Yes, sir. Now he said that ball. Get you guys. Up there, he said. But I gotta get past this bozo. And what do you want me? Oh, what's up, Squid Games?
Oh no, non un altro. Guarda, mia signora, non passerai. Possiedo questo ponte.
I think I've seen this. And revive.
Mi scuso, mia signora.
I've seen this. Hold on, I'm gonna go on my phone quick.
Strega urlante ha attraversato il mio ponte.
Hey, pal! My sympathy is gonna cost you for every condolence.
Aspetta. Condoglianze? Mia signora pensa che mi piaccia tutto questo?
Jump. So, a bird. Back to a bird. What is this?
Servicio?
What kind of work are you inmates offering to the public?
Bueno, yo puedo enviarte a ese famosillo evento. El evento de la burla. Una hueita así.
Yes, right.
Que vaya la voto. Hizo un verso sin mayor esfuerzo.
Get in the car, thing. Get in the car. It's probably we should cross the bridge. What on tentacles? I don't like this.
Vaya y diviértase. Use break.
What the wrong way? But all right. Oh shoot, guys! Edit cloud, zoom into the corner. Hey, come here. I see you. He went over there. Okay, I think he's gone. So he's dead. All right. What we supposed to do now? But I gotta cross the bridge and go to the bathroom because I gotta go take a number 2. So I gotta go to the bathroom. Make sure I gotta take a number 2 for TP for the bone hole, if I said that right. Yeah, I gotta take a number 2. Toilet paper and yep, TP for the bone. Yeah. Okay. What's it here? Hello. Excuse me. And that's speaking, knocking. Alright. Whoa. Cutscene. Oh. That little boy again. Oh, are we upside down in the world? Watch out! Alright. Have zero reaction to that because I said watch out. I'm in a Doctor Strange illusions or something. Oh. We can't pass here now. We can't. How you supposed to get up there? That's the main plot. I saw the little boy, so you post. So I think I'm doing the right way. This better opens. I gotta get around. Their answer eventually. Nicky Knocky. Their answer eventually. All right. Oh shoot, this is new. What the? I'm stuck? I think I'm stuck. Hey, don't worry about it. I think I'm stuck in the upside down illusion. Hey, boy, come here. He's leading the way. Follow the boy. Follow the boy. Shoot. This way. Shoot. This way. Go, go, go. Never mind. Alright, I think I know where you at. Follow the boy, follow the boy. Huh? Where the boy at, boy? Come here, boy! I see you. You upside down. I'll get him. Go to this way. Okay, the bathroom. Oh yeah, it's easy. Bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom. Bathroom. I'm on the other side of the thing, right? Yes, sir. What? They say, whoa, what's up here? Nothing. All right, go back down. All right. So this is where the smoke is coming from. The bathroom. The bathroom is right there. And that looked like the bathroom, I think, next to the wizard boss. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay, we got this weird dude again. What's out with it?
ひょっとしてそこは違法なパーティーイベントじゃないのか?
Event?
嘘だろあんた。仕事をほっぽり出してパーティーしてんのか?
I crave freedom and the cheat is my only escape.
バズルームだ? またそれか。あんた生きて帰れないかもしれないんだぞ。いとか俺はどうなっても知らんからな。早く出口を探せ。
Oh shoot, the bathroom. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Okay, now I'm skip a line. Hello. Pay the toll. The toll. That blood.
I see. It will cost me arm or leg to pass.
It cost me my arm or a leg to pass. Pay with body? Leave? Pay with body, why not? Here's my arm. Here's my arm. This better be worth it. I took my arm off. I just took my fake, physical, powerful, I don't know, magnet arm. Oh, thank you. Have a great day, good sir. Wherever you are. Have a great day. Hey, what's up, guys? Y'all missing the arm or leg? Or the I shot. Okay, let's go. What? Hey, what? What the heck is that? Alright. Hey, what is this? What's going on? Y'all missing the arm or leg? I'm in a loop. Alright, what's you? I told you to meet my soulmates today. I just have to follow this weird sound and dance starts. Too bad I don't have ears. What? How the heck you can hear and you don't say you don't? That don't make no sense. Never mind. This is leading me somewhere. First of all. What the? You said again, ENA. Alright. Yeah, let's just, excuse me, good sir. Hope my eyes don't pop out from all that whistling. I can't whistle. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's the from the show, from the ENA show. From, I don't know. From the, y'all know what I'm talking about. I should play it right now, I think. Alright, whoa, hey. I don't know what was that, but is that nigga walking towards me? Okay. Oh, look! Well.
Oh, hey! Are you following me or something? Well, I don't blame you. Okay. What's the big deal about bathrooms anyway? Is everyone crazy except me?
Alright, okay. Alright. This is a maze. I can see it. Oh, shoot, what's this here?
I am the boss.
Are you?
I wish.
Okay.
I wish.
What?
I need to get back to my horrible job.
What happened to my body?
What do we have
nobody who isn't having a good time. What a waste. Shoot.
What's going on? Oh!
What a sad view. Yes.
I am feeling sick in this place.
Okay, Ina, it should be okay. My girl's not doing alright.
There's no going back, you know? The only duty here is to find the one that you're going to feed. You know? Following the whistle until we end up in someone else's oral cavity. Ew.
What's going on? Am I living a lucid dream? Everything's filling up. Hey, I'm dead. GG's. Help! I can't run. Help!
Fastest block, reaching the bathroom, Enya.
My name's not Enya. It's Ina. I think I died. I died. Ugh. Hello, who's whistling? That whistle sound. Hungry. Wake up, Ina. Hey, wake up. I'm still missing an arm. What am I? Hello, whoa. It's a crocodile dog, and it went to the other someone's mouth and what the? I don't know what I just saw. What is this? I'm the dog. I'm Ina. What legs? This is some Toy Story 1 type vibe. Okay. I'm lost. Oh yeah, let's not go that way. Oh, what? You was eating or something? Oh, where we supposed to go? What are we supposed to? I don't know where I'm going, to be honest. No, go back. Let's go straight. What is? What am I supposed to do? Fight a dog? Oh, never mind. Am I dead? Ina? What do you do, girl? Oh my goodness, that's the boss battle. Oh! I got eaten. Game over? Where am I? What is that? Hello? Hello? Oh, talk to him. Oh shoot, Ina.
Pardon me. My head hurts so much. Do you have any coffee? Any milk? Any bathroom?
Didn't reply. He points to the bathroom.
A giant bathroom. Ugh. It's not enough for this many bodies. I hate myself.
Am I possessed? What is going on with myself? Hello? Did I got punched? Bro? So what could be a stomach hole, bro, at this point? Someone just gut me, man. I'm free. Is this chick across the road? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, I got this. Easy. Boing, boing, I did a jump. I'm clicking my space button. Oh! Help! No, be MemorieCloud! Am I gonna die? Hello? What the? Bro, it's getting worse and worse and worse. Am I supposed to pass the bathroom? I jumped for the first time. Oh. Bully bro. Get up, man. What is going on? What did you say? They saying, whoa. What is that? Yeah. Don't look at me, good sir. Have a great day. What the? Welcome. Where am I? What? This game gets weirder and... the black hole? Okay. The jester? What am I supposed to... I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to react to somebody? You can open these, so... Every time I gotta react to all these doors. That's take forever. Right now, let's go. I'm gonna speed run this. Let's go. 3. Okay. 3, 2, 1, action.
You know what's crazy? I can really do a speed run every time, like 24/7. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, there's gonna be more Fortnite videos after this and then other videos. I got tons of videos. Yo, Yandere, I'm supposed to spoil it all. I got Echo Games, okay? Right now I'm in an illusion. If I was ENA, bro, if I was her, I don't know what I'm supposed to do at this point. Just keep going? Shoot. Just keep going at this point. I don't know where I'm at, where I'm from. I'm in a random lucid dream at this point. I'm in a dream, bro. This is what dreams feels like, you know, right? I had a voice crack. This what dreams... Hello? Hello, guys, you there? Hello? Alright, move it on, let's go. Keep it going. Alright, by the way, I need more space in my PC. I'm out of storage again, because I had it Blender, and I'm making a character. So yeah, moving on. I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff lately. Alright, oh, it's shaking. So I gotta check every house, and the goal just abandoned me. Like I'm not welcome. So this feels like a dream, I'll let y'all know. This feels like a dream. By the way, this thing is just looking at me, like, it just dead looked at me, you know what I mean? I don't know why it's looking at me. Am I supposed to check every house? Because I just... It's like each house we grows. Alright, just show you this way. And then, does he gonna show you?
So I would trust this person. Trust this person. Let's trust this person. This was also pointing to this house, so let's go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, shoot. I'm smart! Let's go! I'm smart, bruh. I checked all those houses. Bruh. I have a voice crack. I said I'm smart! I never screamed so loud. But I am smart, my boys. I just guessed, like, because the green one pushed the gold one. And I'm already like, they lead you to the way. So I trust the gold ones, and then, yeah. What is that? Yeah, I think I'm dead. Let's keep going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Let's go, 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 let's go. The bathroom. What in the dreams? Bro, just imagine having a dream of this. I probably would be kind of low-key scared. Is that me? What? You speak Dutch?
Dear Genie, or to whoever it may concern.
Oh, Ena's back to normal. You back to normal? You got your arm back.
My job is to do everything possible to find the boss, for he is our target today.
All right.
The smoke is in the way of our business and must be eradicated at once.
Yes.
Αυτός ο boss που ψάχνεις γνωρίζεις το ιστορικό του, την οικογένειά του, το πρόσωπό του. Ακόμα και αν δεν μπορείς να απαντήσεις αυτές τις ερωτήσεις, φαίνεται να γνωρίζεις πολύ καλά ποια είναι αυτή η ονότητα. Παρά αυτή τη σιγουριά, το ότι εσύ και εγώ συζητάμε σε αυτό το μέρος λέει πολλά για την ανικανότητά σου να ολοκληρώσεις ένα τέτοιο έργο. Θα μπορούσε να υπήρχε δισταγμός στις δράσεις σου. Δυστυχώς δεν υπάρχει πολύ παραπάνω που μπορώ να κάνω για σένα αυτή τη στιγμή. Επιλέγω να σου υπενθυμίσω ότι το μέρος που βρισκόμαστε είναι πολύ μακριά από την πραγματική φυσική σου μορφή. Μόνο μπορώ να σε κρατήσω από το να επιστρέψεις εκεί. Ωστόσο, μπορεί να κάνω μία εξαίρεση για σήμερα. μου να σου δείξω μια πραγματικότητα όπου πέτυχες στις βαθύτερες πόθους σου.
What is that right there? Alright, touch this. Grab ENA. Oh shoot. Did I beat it? Remember ENA, our text is a place that in the right food. I don't know where I'm at, I'm in a dream. And by the way, I won't give up on my dreams, becoming the famous, biggest YouTuber. I don't know, man. I feel empty. Okay, the business bear, the laboratories of the what, or the smoke what? I don't know what he just said. I can't read no more. All right, here you go. What is this? E. Hold on. I got something. I can't do it because my freaking this stand headphones I'm using is out. It was almost out the way. Whoa! Can I do it again? No longer can move. Bathroom. Good day, sir. Good day, sir. Open the door. Let's go. We did it. We did it. I can run fast. All right. What's this? That's none of my business. All right, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, the back rooms. I'm in the back rooms. Oh, a froggy friend calling me. Blue, blue, do, what do, what do?
頼むよ。もうバスルームのたわごとはたくさんだ。
The issue with the bathroom has been resolved. Our business with the boss is our next priority. He will be down the drain in no time.
何に降りるって？笑えないぞ。適当なこと言ってごまかそうたってそうはいかないからな。あんたの仕事は何だっけ？いい加減に一気に仕事を片付けるのに集中するぞ。もう二度とバスルームの話をするなよ。
Agreed. Toilets are death traps.
ああ、そうだ、言い忘れてた。あんたが何をしたのか知らんが、その効果は確かに現れてるよ。あの嫌なスモークがだいぶ消えたんだ。ご苦労さんだったな、エナ。おかげで随分仕事が楽になったよ。だがひょっとするとまた別の窮地に立たされてるかもしれないぞ、エナ。ああ、まずい。
Anna, ENA, well, who knows? Anna, ENA, no.
I'm good at those.
いいか、今あんたがいるところのドアが閉まろうとしてるらしい。そこに閉じ込められるかもしれないってことがわからないか。
Well, it's time to be that one drop inside that ocean full of opportunities.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
あ、そうかそうか。あんたにはセールスの技とやらがあるんだったな。じゃああんた本当にやれるんだな。だから行ってきなさい。やれることは何でもやって戻ってくるんだ。
Just go. Just go. Go anything. That scared me. Huh. Can I go back? Okay, I just went to anything. I heard a noise, so like... Oh. I'm hearing that noise again. Keep it going, keep it going. Jump. Just go anywhere. Just beat the game. I'm hearing something. It get closer and closer. There's an entity in there. It's in here somewhere with me. I'm not alone. I'm not stupid. Go, 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 go. Oh, you again. I never seen something like this before. Where are we, good sir? It's relaxing. It's not relaxing. This is a bit terrifying and loud. It was a ding, ding, ding. Hey there, boy. What is you? The man eater from Lethal Company? Those legs. All right, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Yeah, Angel. Hello. Don't. Oh, what's up, my boys? Hey, I was waiting to talk to you. Oh, you don't say nothing, huh? I was born with purpose from all the bells from creation. Oh, for real, good sir? My soul was poured into the river of time. and my flesh under the pressure of life. And disturbed relieves is what's in front of me. I am the last color of gold. You give me those vibes. Alright. Ah. Alright, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. You don't talk. Where am I supposed to go? Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. Ah, what the? Get this block that's on my face. What's this? It's just me or just block out my face. Oh, there's up more blocks. We gotta hurry to find something before I'm cooked. What's over here? Okay. What's over here? What's over here? What's over here? Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Jump. Get in, get in, get in. Keep it here, yes. Oh no. But wait, what? Am I supposed to? I can't see. Leave me home. Open. Door's now closed. Nani? Am I dead? Well, this is the end. I'm gonna lose. I'm fading. No. Yeah, folks, I don't know what's going on. ENA! Wake up, ENA! Oh, she's a statue. Move, ENA. ENA? Oh. ENA, you are a Blender character, ENA. Fix yourself now. Uh-oh. Am I dead? Am I moving? Can I move? Don't skip. I'm lagging. End of chapter. Lonely door. Oh my goodness. Clap it up for them. Clap it up. Clap it up. Thank you guys for watching. This ENA barbecue, not ENA barbecue, ENA Dream Barbecue was a W. I like this game. I was in a lucid dream or something, but we'll keep going more. What's his name? I forgot the name who made this game. Hey, make a chapter 2, please. I would love to. I want to buy you plushies for free. No? Okay. But hey, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I'm gonna post more. Nobody's like, oh, I mean, people's gonna watch this. I ain't giving up. I love you guys. Mwah. Holla at your boy MemorieCloud. And by the way, go on Instagram, search up MemorieCloud _ and you will see me there. And see you guys later. And MemorieCloud